Welcome. This is a quick introduction to a very interesting node. Open a scene, and in the bottom right corner, you can spawn this 3D head. Here, I have this asset and just need to adjust it to fit the shape of the head. Under Overlays, I also have a button that I'm going to use. And now, I go to the outliner and click Actions. Search for Enter VTO and click on it. VTO stands for Virtual Try-On. Choose the mode, Head, and enable Open in the new tab. Now, I open the overlay, click on the button, and on the right side under Scene Actions, I connect the Enter VTO action. I go back to the scene, click on Save, and click on Exit. Make sure that the scene is published. If not, then click in here. Click on the View button to open the saved scene in a new tab. And if you click the button, this will trigger the Enter VTO node. Make sure to have your camera activated, and after loading, you can wear the 3D asset and see how it looks on you. I hope that you enjoyed the tutorial, and thank you for watching.